Mabel. Oh, climbing on the rocks. Oh, it's so gorgeous, but it's a little cool. The 6th of June, 2026. Mabel, come on. Mabel. It's very noisy with the waves. So beautiful though. And blue sky, very windy. Here, Mabel, come on. You want to go up there? Go on then. Come on. Oh, she's digging. Oh, she's digging. Find gold. Find gold. Mabel. She's going to edit it. Oh, Mabel. Come on. Poor dog. Mabel. How far are you going? Australia? Hey? Oh, she's really deep. And these are some rocks. It comes up to a point here